Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Annie Idibia. While I be like bicycle, my people. Annie Idibia just cry for the interview where she go today. She talks say before now she be the first person wey fair know Two-Face. Everybody know now a girlfriend right for time. He said, but Two-Face don't go born many children outside before he can't settle with am back. So he own daughter now the fifth the fifth say Two-Face get many children. So he own at the fifth. Now it start to the now be his senior daughter. Now the number fifth for any children, you know. So she can't talk so many things. Say but the thing they really get to her, she's not really happy. Like she's just pretending to be happy. The thing they get to her because anytime Two-Face wants to go see those the children, you must still feel them, you understand the hair. And she can't talk so many things. Some people can still write comments say, my sister, if Two-Face not get money, you for go settle with, and that time wait 12 and not day again. I say that is a very good question. Very good question. You for go settle with her, I don't be the thing. You know, so I still feel for her. I feel for her in a way like the way she take feel for the interview, she was crying, you know. And they're very painful, all those men. Make una they keep una drum too much for one place, una not go keep. That be the thing. I feel for her, not because I not feel for her because it's not easy for you to know say your man get many children outside. He not really, and she not two girls that she born for Two-Face, you understand? So when she come to talk, I'm like the other woman wait for Two-Face, you bring the children out. Begin they do anyhow, they do yanga for with the children. Like he not send you. Hell, I just feel for her today when I just see and say, before you go get yourself into this Two-Face matter, you don't know what you want be. Before you go get yourself into this mess, you don't know what you go be. You understand? There is no way no will get to you. You know? Even when the Two-Face children come stay with them that time, she talk about the way they treat her, all those things, you know. It's not easy. I understand what they feel. I understand the hair. Suppose you just know, maybe you for not just upset at that time. Because after different women don't go born for and finish for our side. Those one born senior, they born second. You now can't just my sister. You reason I'm now. It's in there. We get as it be. So I just feel for her when I see what she they pass through and the comments where people come they give her, you know, just they encourage her at all. Some say, you know, say Two-Face don't go born finish for her side, you still go upset and back. Not be juju be that. The other one say, you know, say Two-Face. If not be say Two-Face get money, you for not say upset and back, and I see truth. Suppose maybe you not get money that time, say money not do you for not, maybe you for not still go back to her. You know, so Annie, my sister, just bear am. You don't already did there, you don't did there. The thing is not really easy, you understand? But you just have to bear, and so it be. And so the life just be. You bear am. Shit happens. So that's so it just be. So my people, the video you not go too long, so anyhow, Mona see just still encourage her to continue because now I see they happen to Davido now where they bomb in the air for her side, you know. So I just feel for her. Shit happens. Just be around. So I talk and reach. Thank you, my people. Bye.
I'm put online. What was I expecting? Do I think people will not talk? Of course, I'm expecting them to talk. I'm expecting the talk. Okay? It's expected. I'm expecting the talk. And I me carry myself. I open Cora live video. So what was I expecting? It's expected, baby. But God is gonna give me the strength outnumber my demons. God is gonna give me the strength. Why do you guys always come on here with negatives? No, that's a lie. Some people come here with the positive, okay? Some here are positive, some here are negative. We don't focus on negative. We stay here with the positive, okay, baby? Next. A true, genuine mom didn't even go put makeup right. Bless you, girl. So because my makeup is like shit, it means I'm a genuine mom. Wow. Why must suffer and anxiety and hopelessness be associated with good mom? Why can't a good mom be hot with nice makeup? Must everything be suffer before you say she's a good mom? Hey, Jesus. Anyway, thank you. Stop telling this woman what to do, all in cap locks. You think she's gonna read your comments and say, oh, thank you for telling me how to live my life? I think not. Lisa de Para. Lisa, let me give you one advice. Please, do me a favor and go and drink one Odeku beer right now because you are shouting. And we don't like people shouting, okay? So go and